Amen. Amen.
We just keep on walking, but never really getting nowhere. It's like we keep on talking, but never really saying nothing.
Well, I've gone around this page 3 times.
It feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. I'm going back to the table, I know they saving us for the stable friend of mine, 'cause they know all this.
We are at Linda Door.
That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh,
Get out the way, who got a watch, who got the time, I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business, no time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this poppin' like, woo, big moves. My rules. Looking for me. I'ma make you wait for it. Hello. Shopping spree. Hello. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Time to give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I look for it. Countdown for me. Eat that. I'ma make you.
Hey guys, food just came. I'm about to have lunch. Hey, did I even show you guys breakfast? I don't know whether I showed you guys breakfast, but I ate breakfast in the past. So, about to have lunch. Yeah, excited.
First, you short. I'm like, time been off yours, boss. To the floor. It's my time. Hey. do the math, don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. I'm still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like my rules. I'll disappear a whole season, like who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till on our neck for it. Count down for me.
Hi! See grandma. Yeah. It's a fake thing.
Sun cuts through the corner of my window. Playing catch, I wander through the guitar. Good company, on my lap. Not a single word to me. Sunny side, the only thing that's been my brain.
Yeah, so I'm about to paint my room.
Sunny
Here, it's going to be glass goals for the first time. We're recording. So this is the before. What we're recording? What was that? My video recording. Look at the girl. Wow, scary baby, but I feel like it's This is what I miss.
Feet on the table. If I were just to move, and then she could be fatal. Now I don't know what to do without a coffee's.
It's like a cookie book. Alright, so what I see, I'm pretty sure.
Sunny side,
If I'm able to paint.
the only thing that's filling my brain. You innocent, I stood still. Nothing in my plan. I just need a day off. I'll get back. I do my best, but barely for somebody else. Simply got too much on my head. Nothing in my plan. I just need a day off.
So I can't do quote one. You have to buy it. Okay, first quote done. No, this is my second time actually. Let me show you now. This was the first part. Didn't do well. I think the second one is good. I'm going to mix again and go. I should go over with this right? So lens is clean. Well, I've gone around this place 3 times, and I think the green is thicker than the white, so you can still see some green coming up. But it looks like I'm going to leave it by that. Can't come into myself. Probably after a year, I'll get another paint and I'll repaint. Anyways, let's check it out. Oh, something good cry. Alright, so when I was painting and I was down, the paint was there, and I was like, it's not going to do well, it's not going to be okay, and all that. The paint is still drying, but then check it out. Look, I'll show you that. Check it out. Alright. Well, it wasn't a great job because I couldn't get out there again. But then I think I'm going to put lights on top there, like LED lights around the room, right? And I'm going to change the curtains. So curtains will be here, curtains will be here, and curtains will be by the door. My study table is going to be here, right? In fact, my office space is going to be here, right? So the curtains will be kind of like me. You see my curtains when I'm doing sub videos, and I think I will get a plant to put here and probably around the side. But I'm going to get it one after the other. But then it's coming together after a year, which is next year, August government. I'm going to do another repainting. If I'm still here, I'm hoping to be here for 3 years, and this is what I left me. I'm going to manage, so I'm going to get this paper. It's kind of like a cover, wallpaper stuff, but it's for tables and all that. So I'm going to get this in white, and then I'm going to use it to revamp this into white. Yes, and then I'm going to do same for a table, my table to be white. Then I can put some LED lights indoor. Then as time goes on, you get a bed, but this is my bed. I'm going to put blankets and everything on it when I move in. I hope to move in 2 weeks. So I hope to move in 2 weeks. I'm so happy I did it. Right. So when I came back to the family house, I came back in May, ending May, like 26th thereabout, and I've been with my sister before I got back my room. So this has been my original room when I was in high school and all that, but since I moved out for national service and all that, one of my cousins was here. He has moved out again, so I have the room back to myself. And I think I'm going to be doing vlogs, because from now to the end of this year, I'm going to be trying to be on a very tight schedule, waking up at 3 a.m. and all that type of schedule, right? So you're going to be vlogging weekly. And so now this week, the week we are entering, is Operation Get Pillows. So I'm going to get 2 pillows for the start. Then I get 3 curtains, right? 3 ash curtains, one for here, one for here, one for here. I think I may get 4, I don't know, depending on the size. I don't know. I think it's looking at the window is bigger than usual. I don't know. I really don't know, but like probably I'm going to get 2, 5. That's money, by the way. So 2 pillows, 3 sets of curtains, then LED lights. I have to write this down 2 pillows, 3 sets of curtains, then LED lights. Like LED lights is going to be very long, so I have to measure because it's going all around. Right, it's going to be all around then sound for this. I have a LED. There's sound for my I don't know what that's called, it's a cabinet or not, I don't know, but yeah, this. And I want to have a LED light in the corner of my bed. Here, this corner of my bed. Ah, God. I'm super excited, but it didn't turn out that bad. I was thinking it's gonna turn out bad, but I'm proud of my work. This DIY, by the way. I'm so happy, and I also got a good news from a friend. I was super happy. Alright, so I think this will be the wrap for this week's vlog. So this week's vlog is me traveling to Kumasi and me painting my room. Probably if I'm doing an editing, I'm going to do a sit-up just to talk a bit. Right, but yeah, I'm excited for this new phase. Super excited. I guess it's going to be amazing. In fact, the rest of the year is going to be testimony upon testimony upon testimony. Alright, peace out.